my name is Jared Myers. I'm a systems engineer on our automation teams. I design electrical panels and other components for our customers' automation solutions, which means I evaluate and plan how our customers modernize, improve safety, or increase efficiency of their operations. Since I spend most of my time outside of Proconex at our customer sites, I thought it'd be interesting for our customers to see an inside view of our warehouse operations here at Royersford. We're really proud of our warehouse, having just expanded and remodeled last year. Let's take a look inside the shop today. Most customers know Proconex for our engineering expertise, mechanical services, and valve automation. Customers increasingly rely on us for all of their isolation valves and equipment. Let's see what's going on with our isolation orders today. Lately, our warehouse has been particularly busy installing actuators, testing equipment, and organizing some very large shipments. To give you an example, we recently shipped 50 Keystone butterfly valves to a single customer. You might also be surprised to learn that many of our products are in stock, ready for customer shipment, many times overnight. While we have hundreds of products available, our most popular products include Keystone isolation valves, Vanessa triple offset valves, and KTM ball valves. We also have quite a selection of actuator products that we can install and test right here in the warehouse. If you need accessories, we have them all, including popular brands like TopWorks and ASCO. I hope you enjoy seeing an inside view of Proconex just as much as I enjoy visiting your facilities. All of us here at Proconex are completely committed to meeting your needs, whether for automation, equipment, or services. For excellent customer service and the brands you trust, you can count on the pros.